Pero dapat alam na natin yung mga types and self-multiplier. Commonly naman pag self-weight lang yung 1.0 na multiplier, then the rest 0 siya. So iuna ko lang yung dead load or the self-weight. So set ko siya as DL. Then of course that is dead yung type niya, dead. Then self-multiplier niya dapat 1. Okay? Then SDL should be super dead and 0 yung multiplier niya. Then live load natin. Of course, yung type is live. And also the mechanical load, set natin yung type as live load. Then multiplier 0. Then mag-set tayo para sa seismic load patterns. Let's say EQX in one direction. Then yung type niya is seismic. And multiplier niya of course 0. Then copy-paste ko lang yan para sa EQY naman, sa other direction. And para naman sa wind load, mag-set na lang ako ng dalawang direction, yung WLX and WLY. Then yung type natin should be wind.